Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford Ranger XLT, coming in this nice shadow black coloring. This vehicle is powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the trailer tow package as well as the XLT Sport package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have rear park sensing, that nice tow hitch, backup camera of course. We do have a nice gripped running board, 9-spot detection, and moving to the front we do have a nice skid plate at the bottom there, 2 tow hooks, block heater, license plate bracket, and that nice Ford grille. This vehicle also comes with a remote start, so no need to go outside in the winter to heat up your vehicle. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably, and we do have this black cloth and textured gray cloth interior. We also have the ability to, oh my god, please fold out, 2 cup holders and some arm space. You got some storage here, USB and USB-C, and 120 with the Ranger logo right there. We also have plenty of door space and textured plastic on the door. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see we have manual seats with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. We do have plenty of door space. You got your tailgate and lights just right there, and these cool new fans with some textured carbon fiber plastic on the dash. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 28.7 kilometers. We do have a nice leather wrap steering wheel. You have your toggle free menu, phone and media, volume of voice, and cruise control right there. Looking at your screen here, you do have menu, which is my view, trip and fuel, off-road, towing, audio, phone, navigation, settings, and vehicle maintenance. Continue your look here, you have your gear shift with your speed adjusters there, parking brake, auto stop, auto start, traction, rear locking differential, drive modes, 4-wheel drive. For your drive modes you do get normal, eco, sport, tow and haul, and slippery. Continue our look over here, you got a nice little fry holder, cup holders, a wireless charging pad, oh my, a little bit of storage with the USB and USB-C. You got a leather wrap center console with a fair bit of storage on there with the 12 volt. You can control your climate from here or from up there as well. And you have a little storage cubby there and storage in the glove compartment. And looking at our main screen there, you have what station you're currently on, which has Sirius XM capabilities. You have your radio, phone, navigation, media, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You have a little sketch pad here in case you need to remind yourself of something later. You also have your controls such as sound, settings, and so on and so forth. Your backup camera, which is pretty handy. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is LE10912, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call if interested.